SPY ended the week, January 26, 2024, at 487.41, down 0.13% from the previous close of 488.03. The ETF reached an intraday high of 489.12, which is also its 52-week high, and a low of 486.54. The cumulative volume was 76,641,609, slightly higher than the average volume of 70,706,068. Here's a summary of the daily candle structure: price action analysis, volume analysis, critical support and resistance levels, Fibonacci levels, and other indicator values of relevance for SPY on January 26, 2024. The daily candle structure was bearish, with a small body and a long upper shadow indicating that the sellers were in control for most of the day and pushed the price down from the high. The price action was below the 10-day exponential moving average of 488.35, but above the 20-day EMA of 484.65 and the 50-day EMA of 474.88, suggesting a short-term downturn trend with a long-term uptrend. The volume was below the 20-day average volume of 81,718,000, indicating a lack of conviction among the traders and a possible consolidation phase. Critical support levels were at 486.54, the low of the day, 484.86, the low of January 23rd, and 483.45, the low of January 22nd. Critical resistance levels were 489.12, the high of the day and the 52-week high, 490, a psychological round number, and 492, a projected Fibonacci extension level. The Fibonacci retracement levels were calculated from the swing low of 472.29 on January 17th to the swing high of 489.12 on January 26th. The 23.6% Fib retracement level is at 485.32. The 38.2% retracement level is 482.94. The 50% is at 480.71. And the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level is at 478.47. These levels could act as potential support or reversal points in case of a pullback. Other indicators of value of relevance were as follows. The relative strength index was at 55.77, indicating a neutral momentum. The moving average convergence divergence, MACD, was at negative 0.17, indicating a bearish crossover. The Bollinger Bands were at 491.77 at the upper band, 487.41 at the middle band, and 483.05 at the lower band, indicating a normal volatility. The stochastic oscillator was at 67.74K and 75D, indicating a bullish divergence. Based on the above technical analysis, the SPY outlook for January 27th is mixed with a slight bearish bias. The ETF could face some selling pressure near the resistance levels of 489.12 and 490 and may test the support levels of 486.54 and 485.32. A break below the 20-day EMA of 484.65 could signal a deeper correction toward the Fibonacci levels of 482.94 and 480.71. On the other hand, a break above the 52-week high of 489.12 could signal a continuation of the uptrend toward the Fibonacci extension level of 492 and beyond.